Hi there, students. To degenerate as a verb, degenerate. And then as an adjective or a noun, degenerate, degenerate. So notice, degenerate the verb, degenerate the adjective and noun. So if something degenerates, it means it becomes worse. The standards become lower. It becomes more dangerous. It becomes weaker. So to degenerate, to get worse, to become worse in quality. So the production standards are degenerating as manufacturers try to reduce costs. The argument degenerated into a fist fight. So to deteriorate, to get worse. Okay, so to degenerate, something degenerates, it gets worse, it goes down in standard. The quality is deteriorating, it's declining, it's degenerating, it's slipping, it's sinking. Now, I think if you use the adjective or the noun, this is talking about moral decline or mental decline, or a degenerate, a pervert, an immoral and corrupt person. Okay, so his degenerate form of humour I find very offensive. Okay, so it's something that is degenerate, a degenerate system. It's corrupted. It's become immoral. It has very low standards of behaviour. It has low standards of decency. This man is a moral degenerate. Yeah, he is morally corrupt. So notice there is really a difference between to degenerate. If something degenerates, it gets worse, it declines. Yeah, it gets worse. Whereas degenerate, a corrupt form, you can use it. A degenerate form of life, for example, yeah, or a degenerate civilization. No, if I used a degenerate civilization, it's talking about corrupt. It's declined from its great status. Okay, so to degenerate, to get worse. The quality of the signal is degenerating. It's getting worse. It's declining. It's going down. It's decreasing. It's something. If something is losing its good or desirable qualities, it's degenerating. His health degenerated, and finally he ended up in hospital. Okay, whereas degenerate, deteriorated, corrupt. Yeah, he's a degenerate human being. Okay, so be careful in the ways that you use this. Use the verb meaning to decline, but the adjective and particularly the noun, this talks about morals. It talks about being a good person or not being a good person. So let's see. To degenerate, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. A degenerate system as an adjective, yeah, 5. I think probably 6 in formality. And if you say he's a degenerate, that I would give 5 or even 4.5 in formality. But use all of them anywhere, in any way you like. And then as to origin, all of these words come from Latin. Degeneratus from de genero, to de and genus, type. Okay, so the type or the birth or the class is decreasing, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Degenerate. Degenerate.